Hello YouTube. So today I am going to talk about few of this jump rope which I purchased, and this video will help you if you are planning to buy one jump rope and you are kind of beginner. So first of all I will talk about four kind of jump rope here. So first one is cotton jump rope. You will see some of the few photo I will add it here in the video in the top corner. So the first jump rope I will talk about this cotton jump rope. So I am familiar with this jump rope from my childhood because it is easily available in local shop, and it's cost around 50 rupees. Even if you are planning to buy one online, you it should not cost more than 100 rupees. So I will point out few points about the this cotton jump rope. So this is the cotton jump rope. You see few of this online product has more than 4 star of rating. So what is the pro of this? The pro is that it is good for a kid, like younger kid like 12-year-old or 10-year-old. For them it is good because it is very lightweight, and that's why it is good for kids. And the con is this is not for adult because the same reason it is very lightweight, and it tangles a lot because of the cotton. It tangles a lot, and it is not it is very light, and it is not definitely not for adult. And people who are rating it as a 4 star, as you see here, they definitely never used the other kind of jump rope, which I will show you in next. So next in my list is this adjustable jump rope. If you search in online, you will see many brand with this kind of jump rope. It has many color like red and blue. So the uh, so the so the it cost around 150 rupees. And the pro of this jump rope is the grip. The grip is very good. This is spongy kind of, and it is very good. And the second pro is it has the adjustable thing here. You can adjust the length according to your height. Second is the material is quite decent. It won't tangle easily, so that material is quite decent. And third pro is it is heavyweight. So, and it is definitely not for a kid. This is for adult, and it is because it is heavy, it is good for weight loss if you are doing skipping for weight loss and all. So this is, make sure you have the adjustable thing here, and this is a quite decent product, and you can go with it if you are getting it under 150 rupees. Third, and make sure you purchase one which has more than 4 star of rating. And third I am talking about this one. There is not many review on this jump rope. First, this is the Nivea brand, which is very popular brand. So first I will talk about its first the cost is 110 rupees. When I purchased this, I purchased in MRP cost, which was 130 rupees plus shipping charge 40. So I bought it in 170 rupees. So first I will talk about its con. So con is the grip. As you see, the grip is very small. It is not good, but you will use to it after 1 or 2 days. And second, it doesn't have any adjustable thing here, no adjustable thing. But both has solution for it. First, you will use to it after 1 or 2 days for the grip, and to adjust it you can put this kind of knot here, this similar kind of knot. I will put a similar video, a separate video, if you want to see then how to knot this one. So and it won't disturb you at all while you will skip. And the pro about this jump rope is the material. First thing is the material. This is some material, the rubber kind of material, which is very good. It 100% tangle free, believe me. It is for adult. And and the material, I can definitely say this is the best material. You can if you are a beginner, you can definitely go with it. If you are mediocre, you can definitely go with it. If you are doing like fast skipping or some kind of if you are doing some kind of freestyle skipping, then also you can use this one. This is very good. I can't complain anything. Even if it cost it 200 rupees, I will say definitely go with it. It is very good. And you can buy it in 110 rupees in Flipkart. I will put all the links for buy this all the product which I am showing. And please like and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you. And so the third one, so my opinion, this is the best one. If you are a beginner, doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a mediocre. If you are a pro kind of, then definitely go for some skipping rope which is cost 1,000 rupees or something. Then if you are a pro skipping guy, so don't watch my video because I am a mediocre only. Third one, this is third one is this. Yeah, this is if you see, this is from HRX brand. And all the skipping rope which I am showing, all has more than 4-star rating. So this is the HRX. It cost 299 rupees. And if you are a beginner, don't buy this one. This is a freestyle skipping. It is a very fast. It means you don't even have to jump 1 inch to do skipping with this one, because this is very thin rope. It definitely, it is durable, no complaint about it, but this is not for a beginner. This is a mediocre who does the freestyle skipping, very fast skipping. So people who are do mediocre kind of guys, then you guys can go for this one. This is the HRX brand. This is definitely HRX, you are already aware of. This is Nivea. This is also very popular brand. And this doesn't have any brand, because many brand has this similar product with different rating and different names. So if you're buying this, make sure you pick the one which has a good review, because otherwise you will end up buying some bad product. Yeah, so I have this 3 and the cotton one. If you want to buy the cotton one, make sure you are buying for a kid, not for an adult, because they won't like it. And among these 3, if you are mediocre or beginner, blindly go with this Nivea one. It is cheaper, but it is better than this one, believe me. This is heavy, and this is neither heavy neither light. You can do freestyle jump rope with this one also, believe me. I did it. I first, at the beginning, I bought this one, the red one, then Nivea, then at the end I bought this one, but I use this one only. I don't use these two. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I have some other video also for go check out my other unboxing video of dumbbells and dumbbell set and all. Thanks for watching.